There's a little baby
That's a
tree.
slow growth, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
You okay now, Linda?
Hello, everybody. It's Linda, the old bird with Gotta Be Handmade. I'm sorry I'm not coming to you live. I had to make the video because I don't have internet connection. But look, I'm at the Booth's Christmas Tree Farm. And this is Ramsey. Hello.
Hello, how y'all doing?
Now Ramsey's gonna tell us about choosing a live Christmas tree and cutting it down by hand. So go, Ramsey.
All right, so out here we have our red cedars, we have our white pines, we have our Leland cypress, and we have our Virginia pines. Now, most people, they come out here with their families to cut down trees because it's a tradition.
Okay.
Their grandpa might have did it, their father might have did it. Fun fact about these trees. We tell people not to cut trees down that are under 5 foot because these trees only grow a foot a year.
Oh my goodness. So the little bitty one right there, we wouldn't cut it.
No, ma'am.
Okay, it's got to be at least 5 feet.
5 foot, yes, ma'am. All right, so as far as lasting wise,
Okay.
we would go more with our Virginia pine. It's more the closest to a holiday tree. As
Okay.
you saw, that one tree in the flocking room,
Okay.
the really tall one was a Virginia pine.
Okay.
It's got that real forestry look.
So Virginia pines usually last long.
Yes, ma'am. I can take you right down here to where they are.
Okay.
You be felling the tree here some other time later on?
Yes, sir. But for now, that's just where one stood. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Miss Linda, what else would you like to know about these trees out here?
I'd like to know, once we choose the tree that we purchase, then how do we get it? Do you cut it for us, or do we cut it?
It depends on what you want to do. I mean, sometimes it's different strokes for different folks. Some people want to cut it themselves, or some people want us to cut it. If you find a tree you like, I can go get a saw. I can cut it myself, or if one of y'all want to go cut it, I can.
Okay, my wonderful husband would be the one that would cut mine. So tell me, how would we cut it?
All right.
If I chose this one, it is...
It is about, I'm 6 foot, so this would be probably about 5.5 foot.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this one has the height.
Okay, so
Now what would we do?
putting your umbrella right down over here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if you want more of the tree to soak up more water, you want to cut right from the bottom.
Okay.
Right from the bottom. Make sure like it's even, no irregular patterns,
Okay.
and make sure you try your best to not leave a really big stump when you cut it down, just in case for other families walking through as a tripping hazard.
I got you.
Yes, ma'am.
So would we bring our own saw?
Yeah, you could bring your own saw. We have saws right on hand up there under that carport right there. We could bring them out to you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we chose the tree. We have the right height. You've shown us how to cut it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how do we get it to the car?
All right, I can carry it for you. I can come across and carry it for you. That little machine right there beside those nets is what we do to shake out all the dead pines, or maybe even a bird's nest. We've had those before.
Okay.
And then, if you need a hole drilled in it, we can do that for you. And then we will measure your tree. That's how we measure price-wise. And then we'll throw it through the net, tie it on top of your car, and you're good to go.
Okay. Now, my last question.
Yes,
Get your
ma'am.
umbrella.
All right.
And you can stand up. Off the ground is wet.
Yep.
Okay, this is the last question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we chose our tree.
Mm-hmm.
We cut it down.
Yes, ma'am.
You've prepared it for us to take it home.
Yes.
What do we do when we get home to keep it alive and healthy?
Give it water every day.
Every day?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness. Every day?
And even if you forget a day, every 2 days. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And that way we can put lights and everything, and it will be okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramsey, tell everybody where the Booth Christmas Tree Farm is located.
All right. We are located off 701 North, off Adrian Highway. If you need help with any directions, you can always Google us, go to our website. We have directions wherever you live. If you live in California and you feel like driving all the way out here to get a real Christmas tree, we got it for you. As far as social media, like us on Facebook, and be sure to check out Miss Linda's lovely channel, Gotta Be Handmade.
Thank you so much, Ramsey. You've been a blessing to us today.
Thank you.
Now, everybody, if you're interested in coming to the Christmas tree farm, now that you have your instructions and you know exactly what to do, pay this farm a visit. If you're in the South or North Carolina area or even in Georgia, take a drive and visit the Booth's Christmas Tree Farm. Visit their website at the Booth ChristmasTreeFarm.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, because you know, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. Bye-bye.